Hello, Julie here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing of some products I got from Beebeecraft. So let's have a look what we've got. The first thing I've got here are some, I think they're called Cabochons or something like that. And I'm making a Steampunk journal and I thought I could use these, but actually I thought they were going to be a lot bigger than this, but I thought I could use something like this as decoration on the pages, and I still think I will be able to use them. You can see there's a nice selection of them. They look really good. They're all clock based, and let me have a look how big they are. So about half an inch, yeah, half an inch, or in centimetres about 12 mil. So they're quite cute. So a lot of the things that I got in this parcel are things I got thinking about my Steampunk journal. This is another one. This is a necklace, you know, hangs on a chain around your neck, and you can see there's a big loop there. But I'm going to get my husband to cut that off, and I thought I might be able to use something like that on the cover of my journal. I thought that was quite good. Now, I'll tell you the prices because they're pretty good pricing. Let me have a look. How much was this? It's not very easy to read on the list. So this is $4.13 for 10 of those Cabochons. Now everything will be in Australian dollars, okay? And this one was $3.27. That just comes in a single pack. So there's just one in a pack of that. And I bought a new wax seal. This one, I don't know whether that shows up or not, but it's an owl. And this one is $6.03. And I also got another head that screws onto it. And you can see this one's got like the Steampunk cogs and things like that. And that was, how much? That was $4.86. And that just screws off of there. And this one will screw onto that. So they interchange. So that was quite good, I thought. Now also I got two packs of these. There's two in a pack, and they're a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be. So they were a lot smaller and these are a lot bigger. So these are actually, what? About 1.5 inches in diameter, or maybe even a little bit more. 1.5 inches, or what have we got in mils? About 38 mils, and they're hollow. I don't know that they're actually plastic, actually metal. I'm not sure what they are, but there's two in the pack, and I was going to use these as dangles, you know, charms or whatever, but I'm not sure what I might use them as something on a page. I'm not sure, but I've got 2 packets of those. So that's those. And I've got these owl bookmarks. Oh, those, these here were $2.53 a pack. Now I've got these owl bookmarks, and I thought they were really cute, and you could use them in your journals. And I thought I would put something in here, and I was actually thinking that that might be a place where I could put these Cabochons, but of course they're not big enough. So I will put something else in there. I'll probably cut out some of the pattern paper or something and then put like a glossy accents over the top, so it's got like a protected dome sort of finish. And yeah, and these were $2.79, and how many in the pack? There's quite a few in the pack. 1, 2, 3, there's 5 in the pack, and I'm pretty sure they're all exactly the same. They look like they're exactly the same to me. Yeah, so there's 5 of those in the pack for $2.79, so can't really complain about that, can you? So that's all of that sort of stuff. I also got a pack of dies. Now this pack of dies has got, I think, well, to be honest, I can't tell you exactly how many things this cut out. I have cut it out so I can show you, but they come like this, all joined together, and I'm going to leave them joined together because it just makes it easier. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now all of these were in the pack together, and they are $7.15. So, you know, you can hardly complain about that, can you? All of those for $7.15. And I have cut them out so I can show you what they look like, and they cut out easily. I put them through my Big Shot once and I didn't have any trouble at all getting them out of the dies. You know, there was no, they were perfectly cut. I didn't have to fussy cut around anything or mess around with them at all. They worked perfectly first time. There was no shims, no nothing needed. So you can see they're varying heights. Let's have a look. Let's say that one there, that's 3 inches, and this is a shorter one, that's 1 3/4 inches. So they vary amongst those heights, between those heights, I mean. And there's all sorts of things in here. These will be excellent for, you know, just added little things in your junk journal, especially if you're doing like a botanical. You could use these for putting in like Polaroid frames. I've cut them all out in white because that's very handy. You know, you can colour them to whatever colour will suit your journal. But yeah, look how many you get. Now I've just run these through once. Don't know whether. I did find too that the postage on this order was very quick. I think I had it within about a week, so no complaints there. There's a little tiny one. This one is probably the smallest one of the lot, and that is 1 1/4 inches, so it's not much different to that one. So there we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. You get 32 different flowers, ranging from about 3 inches to about 1 1/4 inches, I think it was. This one's about the smallest. So there, that was that. I do fussy cut a lot of things like this and just leave them in a little dish, and then when I want them, I just fussy them out of the dish and colour them to suit. Now I've got some stamps as well. Now this one I just got because it's a general journal. It's a book stamp, and you can use book stamps anywhere or any time in any journals, because after all it is a book. I have stamped them all and they all stamp beautifully, and I thought it might be easier for you to see that. like that. You can tell I've heat embossed them. So that's what you get in this one stamp. And how much is this one? Book stamp, $4.46. I'll just put them there for now. This one here, I thought, you know, cards, it's called poker stamp. I'll take the packaging, I'll take it out of the packaging because that packaging reflects and makes it a bit tricky. So this stamp is $3.88. And you can see there, I've got a plain card where you can put your suit and your Jack, Queen, King. We've got this that would probably fit over that. So if you want the Queen, this is the female face, that's the male face. You got your symbols here, a little checkered pattern there. Got your Joker's hats. So that was good value, I think. What did I say? $3.88 or something. This one again was in the Steampunk vein. It's got a sugar skull. It's got the cogs. So here's a clock with like the cog things in it, so the steampunk looking things. Here's a stamp with a steampunk look to it with the clock and the butterflies. There's a few butterflies here, a feather, another butterfly, some flowers with a time, what do you call it, a waistband watch or whatever, waistcoat watch, and just a little collection of flowers there. And then there's a saying that says, love is like a butterfly, it goes where it pleases and it pleases where it goes. So that's that one. Now how much was that one? Let me have a look. That was $4.46. And then I bought this little floral one, mainly because it's just a nice cute little floral that once again you can stamp and fussy cut and use on your journals anywhere, because you know you got your varying sizes. You got a bit more of a spray there. These would be great as for embellishments on tags and things like that, because you can stick them down flat and they are pretty and they don't add bulk. So that's that. So that is my little haul from Beebeecraft for today. So I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. I think I can put all of this stuff to good use, and I hope that you'll join me when I post videos using all these things. So I haven't actually put my journal together as yet. I'm just starting to collect up a few things. So yeah, so that's it. So yeah, I'll put links to all of this stuff in the description box if you're interested in any of them, but I think the prices are fantastic and the quality is terrific. You know, those dies, you know, you can buy cheap dies and you can't get the damn things to cut, but these cut perfectly. The stamp perfectly. So yeah, I'm more than happy. Alright, well thanks for joining me, and I hope you can join me when I post my next video. Okay.